it's Ellie with Fosmon. We are going to unbox our ultrasonic jewelry cleaner machine. Let's get started. Get to know your product. First, we have the ultrasonic cleaner itself. Here, you've got the power and timer buttons and control touch panel with an LED display. Inside the 600 milliliter stainless steel tank, you'll find the cleaning basin, watch holder, and basket. How to use. First, you'll want to open the lid and put your item inside the cleaning basin. Then, fill it with distilled water just enough to cover the item, but not past the max filling line. Close the lid, plug it in, and you'll see the display light up. Press the set button to select the cleaning time. There are 5 time modes: 90 seconds, 180 seconds, 300 seconds, 480 seconds, and 600 seconds. Next, press on to start the cleaning. After the time is up, the machine will stop automatically. Let's move on to cleaning methods. There are 3 cleaning methods for different situations. For a general cleaning, all you'll do is use distilled water. For enhanced cleaning, just add a few drops of cleaning liquid to make sure those items are especially squeaky clean. For partial cleaning, just use distilled water and let the device take care of foreign particles inside any of the small areas of your item. Or, if you have small parts of a big item you want to clean, you can leave the lid open while the device is cleaning. Cleaning straps and jewelry. So there are a few items that you should put in before adding water. For watch straps, fix the watch onto the watch holder with the watch part facing up. For jewelry, put the items into the basket. Both go into the basin after it's been filled with water first. After cleaning, take the basket out and dry everything with a clean cloth. Basic maintenance do's and don'ts. Do wipe down the tank with a cloth and don't leave water in the basin after cleaning to reduce the risk of limescale. Empty immediately after each use. Do clean the container with a towel, and don't wash the whole unit to reduce the risk of electrocution. Do store the device in a cool place and out of children's reach, and don't clean the device with harsh chemical products or sharp objects. Get to thorough and efficient cleaning from the comfort of your home, and we will see you next time.